Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to recover a Gmail account using backup Codes Gmail account recovery. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you go to your Chrome. Tap on Chrome. Next, search here Gmail account recover. Next, tap on how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Scroll down little bit. Tap on forget your password. Recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap on your Gmail. Tap on next button. Next, tap on continue. Use your skin lock. You can see here update password. Tap on this. Next, tap on save password. Next, tap on change password. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. Please subscribe to my channel.